Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today is a cooking 101 and we will make Korean fried chicken wings. Korean fried chicken is a popular snack and appetizer and is perfect for any occasion. Let's get cooking! We will need 1 kilogram of chicken wings, cooking oil for frying, 1 cup of corn flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, spring onion for garnish, 1 tablespoon of Korean hot pepper paste, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, sesame seeds for garnish, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. Now, add the pepper into the chicken wings, then the salt, and using your clean hands, mix them together. In a pan over medium heat, add the ingredients for the sauce, the soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, brown sugar, mustard, chili flakes, and the Korean hot pepper paste. Mix them together and let it simmer and cook for about 2 minutes. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. Once it's cooked, set this aside. Now, coat each wing with corn flour and top any excess. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to see more of my delicious recipes. In a pan over medium heat, heat the oil to 175 degrees Celsius. Once the oil is already hot, fry the chicken wings by batch until it's golden brown. Once it's already golden brown, transfer it into a wire rack to drain. After all the chicken wings are already fried, wait for a few minutes for the oil to heat up again and refry the chicken wings until they are deep golden brown. Now, heat up the glaze for a few seconds just to loosen it up. Then, toss the chicken wings to coat. You can also brush each wing with a glaze, or you can toss it like this one. After coating, garnish the chicken wings with sesame seeds and spring onions. And here's our finished product! These Korean fried chicken wings is so crunchy and delicious and perfect for any occasion. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!